Hi there and welcome back. I'm Olsen the Dane and today we're going to make strawberry jam. So we are just at the peak of strawberry season here in Denmark. They're ripening very fast, so they are in an abundance. I think one of the best way to preserve them to the cold and dark winter days is by making strawberry jam, so we can taste the flavor of summer all year round. It's going to be easy peasy. This is a very easy recipe, so you can all use it. So let's see how it goes. To begin with, we need to sterilize the jars, so put a cloth in a big pot. Put in the jars, fill it with water and then let it boil for a couple of minutes. And while the jars are being sterilized, it's time to prepare the strawberries. To begin with, we have pre-washed the strawberries, and then we are going to take off all the greens from the strawberries. After you have destemmed them, it's time to cut them into smaller pieces. You don't have to. I prefer to do it, but you can just leave them in whole if that's what you want. And now it's time to transfer the strawberries into a pot. We'll begin with adding the strawberries in a big pot. It's time to bring it to a boil and add half a deciliter of water. After 5 minutes, it's time to add the sugar. 400 grams of sugar for this recipe. And after a couple of minutes with the sugar, it's time to add the pectin. Approximately 2 tablespoons of pectin combined with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for approximately 2 minutes. And then we need to defoam it, and after that it's ready to go onto the jars. And now it's time to put it into jars. We need to clean the edge of the jar. As you can see, sunshine in the jar. So let's have a taste. try this delicious strawberry jam that I've just made.
Yay!
It's good.
It's good.
Wow. That's sunshine in a can.
Sunshine strawberries. Was it easy peasy?
It was very easy peasy.
Perfect.
So until next time, have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.